In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money using the Capitec app, whether you're sending it to someone's bank account or sending cash for pickup. It's super simple and only takes a few minutes, so make sure you watch till the end. First, open the Capitec app on your phone and log in using your PIN. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see several options. Under Favorites, look for Pay Beneficiary and tap on it. If the person you want to send money to is already saved as a beneficiary, just tap on their name. If not, you can easily add a new one by selecting Add Beneficiary, then entering their bank details, like the account holder's name, bank name, account number, and reference. Once that's done, enter the amount you'd like to send. You'll also notice a few extra options, like setting the payment date, adding a reference for your records, or typing a short description that will appear on your bank statement. If you want the money to go through immediately, make sure you choose Immediate Payment. That way, the person will receive it right away, especially if they also use Capitec. After double-checking all the details, tap Pay, confirm the transaction, and that's it. Your money has been sent. The app will show you a confirmation screen, and you can even choose to send a payment notification via SMS or email to let the receiver know the money's on its way. Now, if you want to send cash to someone who doesn't have a bank account, here's how you can do that. Go back to the home screen and tap on Send Cash. Enter the amount you'd like to send and choose the account you want it to come from. Then, type in the cell phone number of the person who'll receive the money. The app will generate a PIN code, which you'll need to share with the recipient. They'll get a confirmation SMS with instructions, and they can use that PIN to withdraw the cash from any Capitec ATM or participating store like ShopRite, Checkers, or Boxer. Just make sure you keep that PIN safe. Without it, the money can't be collected. And that's really all there is to it. Sending money with the Capitec app is fast, secure, and super convenient, whether you're paying someone directly or sending cash they can pick up.